Welcome back, everyone, to the train channel. We got a CSX train on track 2. Let's roll it and check it out. Get the engine in time in this because my phone was down to like 1% before the next train went by. Oh, there is a meet. Yep, we got a meet. No fast NS this time. It was last time though. Well, we at least got a camcord version in a bigger way, but especially I missed that CSX engine and missed the CSX engine. It looks like there's the end of the CSX. It has to be the M363 or 364. There's already 367 went by, unless it was the 635 went by on that train meet that we didn't get earlier. We're going to leave I believe we're going to keep the cameras on because I think this Norfolk Southern train's going to come back right there because it's not going fast enough. And there's also, I heard on the radio that there is a CSX coming on track 1. So there is a CSX coming on track 1. They said 1? Wow. They said 8.7 track 1. No, it says track 2. It will be track 1 here in a little bit. Well, we got at least got a couple of camcord versions in before the stream, though.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 68.2 track 1. No defect. No defect. Total axle 512. End of transmission.
Well, this train's got 500 and some axles. Assembled on that train, by the way, is the first is the CSX M634, or I should, no, that was earlier. M363 or the 367 or 68. And then that train you're seeing is the Norfolk Southern C62. That train originates to Westville, New York, and terminates to Pontiac, Ohio, where it terminates. They should be coming back. Pretty nice train meet on this Tuesday, July 15th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. That was pretty good train meet though. I gotta see if this NSC 62's coming in or what, cause it's pretty good though. got a heritage unit today on CSX. M384, 85, or whatever that was. Let's see if this C62 is going to go by. If not, I'm going to end the camcorder version for here. Yep, it's coming back now. Yep, NSC 62 should be coming. We're going to put it in the one camcorder version instead of separating it on the NS local. I didn't get the CSX engine in time, but I at least got the NS engine in time. That's the NS friendly crew right there. Oh, it's gonna be this premiere and that's coming up will be a big one. It is a big one, yeah. I already got. There's a possibly I could get a triple meet. I already have 2 triple meets though. One with 3 different companies, and then last year with 3. And then last year I got 2 CSX and an NS. Nice SD40. I seen that the second engine trailing is an NS, a CSX SD40 leading or trailing on the second engine of the garbage train. It's like a 4-engine freight train. So, assembled on that train, as I said, is the Norfolk Southern C62. That train originates to Conneaut, Ohio, and terminates these tracks on this side originates to Conneaut, Ohio, and terminates to Westfield, New York, where it terminates with a few service industries. And then on the way back, these tracks originate to Westfield, New York, and terminates to Conneaut, Ohio, where it terminates. Pretty nice train meet between the NS local and the CSX freight train on this Tuesday, July 15th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Like I said, I didn't get the train meet earlier. Because I had a couple other things we got to do today. One other thing I had to do today. Alright, that's going to do it for this camcorder version. We'll be back on with another train. And I might have to go live here in a few minutes. So we're gonna stream around 12:30 today. I was supposed to stream at 12, but because I want to get a few camcorder versions in, I'm gonna stay off live until probably 12:30, maybe 12:35 or something. Alright, that's gonna do it for this camcorder version. We'll be back on with another train and talk to you later.